I was so confident that I knew what was wrong before even touching her, is that her husband was here, and I just had her turn, face this way, and I told her husband, I said, watch this. And I put him right behind me, and I said, I put my thumbs on bilateral PSIS right here, and I asked her to extend back. And when she extended back, my left thumb, uh, excuse me, on her, my right thumb translated superiorly. Okay. And that told me that she had an upslip on the right side. She had SI joint dysfunction, right?